Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to make a really cool dessert. It is super easy to do. 3 ingredients. Let's get going. Okay, first off, we have in here 1 cup of sugar. The next ingredient is we're going to add 1 cup of peanut butter and 1 egg. That's it. I'm turning on my oven to 350 to get that started. All right, let's get our peanut butter going. Now I'm kind of at the bottom of my Skippy peanut butter here. This is what we have, this is what we use. We use many varieties of peanut butter, but right now this is what we have. Okay, we have our 1 cup of packed peanut butter. You can use smooth, you can use chunky, whichever one you prefer. I think the nuts would be better. Alright, now to this we're going to add 1 egg. And I'm using an Eggland's Best. Okay, and we're just going to stir this up. Mix it up really good. Let's put this off to the side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a teaspoon out and form a ball. Put it on our cookie sheet and do the next one. And you want to spread these out because they will start expanding. Next thing we're going to do this is sugar. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a pinch of sugar on each one of them. And let's get them in. Now these will cook for 10 to 12 minutes. And we'll see you in a minute. Okay, we're going to add to this recipe this 3 ingredient peanut butter cookie. So right now I have added 1 cup of sugar. I need to add 1 egg and another cup of peanut butter. So let's get that going. So right here we have 1 cup of peanut butter and a little tiny bit more. Okay, the same thing we've done before. We've added sugar. So now we're going to use espresso. And I'm just going to push down. Take just a little bit, go over the top. We're going to add semi-sweet chunks in the middle. I will sprinkle just a little bit of sugar on top. To the left, let's check our cookies. And they're looking pretty good. To this last batch, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of Hershey's chocolate. It's just the Hershey's chocolate powder. You can get it anywhere. This stuff is really good. We're just going to mix that in. And our Oven should be going off anytime now. So we're getting really good at this. Okay, you don't want it completely mixed in because this is kind of like a peanut butter swirl cookie. Okay, and these are our first batch of peanut butter cookies. We're going to let these cool, and we're going to finish these. All we're going to do is take the peanut butter dough, roll it in our hand, place it on the cookie sheet. I think it's time to check our cookies. Ooh. They are done. So we're going to turn off the oven. We're going to let these sit for a few minutes and then we're going to put them on the rack to cool. You need to let them cool for at least 10 minutes before you eat them. Alright, we'll see you in a few. And here you go. These are the easiest homemade cookies to fill your cookie jar. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!